Welcome to Lesson 6. Today we're going to talk about verbs again, but in negative form. If you remember from Lesson 5, verbs are actions like run, play, read, eat, walk, cry. And for he and she and it, we say runs, plays, reads, eats, walks, cries. We also use verbs to talk about how we feel about something. So I love tennis. I dislike fishing. We add S to the verb for he and she and it. So I do not, now it's negative, I do not play football. He does not play football. She does not play football. And it does not play football. See, for he and she and it, we put the S on the first verb. We don't say he does not plays football. No S here, because already we have the S here on the first verb. And for you and we and they, say you do not play football, we do not play football, and they do not play football. Also, we can make it short. So we can say, I do not play football, but I can say, I don't play football. It's the same. He does not play football. He doesn't play football. And you do not play football. You don't play football. So for I and you and we and they, we can say do not or don't. For he and she and it, we say does not or doesn't. So great. Let's look at another example. I don't eat hamburgers. He doesn't eat hamburgers. She doesn't eat hamburgers. It doesn't eat hamburgers. And you don't eat hamburgers. We don't eat hamburgers. They don't eat hamburgers. The S is on the first verb only for he and she and it. Don't put it on the eats, just on the doesn't. Right, let's do some practice. So Anna, TV. Anna doesn't watch TV. Anna don't watches TV. Or Anna don't watch TV. Now Anna we know is she, so it's got to have an S on the first verb. So Anna doesn't watch TV. Another one. I does not play tennis, do not play tennis, do not plays tennis. I mustn't have S. So the answer is I do not play tennis. I play football. I play hockey. I play basketball. John is he. John to work late. John doesn't come to work late. John don't come to work late. John don't comes to work late. Oh dear. So John is he. John doesn't come to work late. He comes early. So you see here on your first verb, doesn't, you put the S. And here we put it on the first verb, comes. Right, let's see if you can do some now on your own. My parents in the city. My parents do not live in the city. They live in the village. The children don't go to bed late, they go to bed early. We know number 3 is wrong because you don't put S on both. We don't put it on does and works. So which of the other two? My uncle doesn't work in a bank, he works in a shop. You can do this on your own. So that's it. We see you next time for questions. We're going to be doing the same thing, but this time with questions. So if you want to go back to the previous one for the verb be and do some studying, it's very similar. Otherwise, go to the MGI Institute on Instagram to download your free practice worksheet. Well done and see you next time.